Good morning. How can I assist you today?
Good morning. I am planning a trip and need to book a flight. I was hoping you could help me find the best options.
Absolutely. I would be happy to help. Where are you planning to travel to? And what dates are you looking at?
I am planning to fly to Mumbai. I would like to leave on the 15th of this month and return on the 22nd. I am looking for a morning flight if possible.
Let me check the available options for you. We have a few flights available. There is a 7:30 a.m. flight with Jet Airways and 8:15 a.m. flight with Indigo. Both are non-stop flights to Mumbai.
Both sound good. How do they compare in terms of price and services?
The Jet Airways flight is slightly more expensive, but it offers complimentary meals and more legroom. The Indigo flight is more budget friendly but charges extra for meals and seat selection.
I see. I think I will go with the Jet Airways flight. I prefer a bit more comfort during my travels.
Great choice. I will book that for you. Before we proceed, do you have any specific seat preferences?
I would prefer an aisle seat, closer to the front if possible. It makes it easier for me to get up during the flight.
No problem. I have selected an aisle seat for you in the front section. Now let's talk about baggage. Jet Airways allows 15 kg of checked baggage and 7 kg of cabin baggage. Will that be sufficient for your trip?
Hmm, I might need a bit more than 15 kg for checked baggage. Can I purchase additional baggage allowance?
Yes, you can. You can purchase an extra 5 kg or 10 kg depending on your needs. The cost is 1500 per kg if booked in advance.
I think an additional 5 kg should be enough. I will go ahead with that.
Alright, I have added 5 kg to your checked baggage allowance. Is there anything else you would like to add, such as travel insurance or meal preferences?
I would like to opt for travel insurance just to be safe, and I will go with the vegetarian meal option for the flight.
Excellent choices. I have added travel insurance and noted your meal preference. Let me summarize the details for you. You will be flying with Jet Airways on 15th with a return flight on 22nd. You have selected an aisle seat near the front, added 5 kg to your checked baggage and opted for travel insurance and a vegetarian meal. Does everything look good?
Yes, that sounds perfect. What is the total cost?
The total comes to rupees 12,500 including the additional baggage allowance and insurance. Would you like to pay by card or cash?
I will pay by card. Here you go.
The payment is complete and here are your e-tickets and booking details. I have also sent a copy to your email for convenience. You can check in online 24 hours before your flight.
Thank you so much for your help, Arjun. This was so easy and stress free.
You are welcome, Neha. It was my pleasure. If you have any questions or need to make any changes, feel free to contact us. Have a safe and pleasant trip to Mumbai.
I will. Thanks again. Have a great day.